Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the Sony PlayStation Pulse Explorer wireless earbuds for your PlayStation 5, PC, Mac, and your mobile devices. So I got this from Target for $199 from Target. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking out these Pulse Explorer wireless earbuds. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the Sony PlayStation Pulse Explorer wireless earbuds. This is compatible with the PS5, PC, Mac, and your mobile devices. Here are what the earbuds look like. Really love the consistent presentation from Sony. Here, this is compatible with your PS5, PC, or Mac with PlayStation Link. And this is also compatible with your mobile tablet or phone via Bluetooth. Here you can see compatible with all PlayStation Link supporting devices included. The adapter in here is included. Let's take a look on the other side of the box. The other side of the box talks about the contents that is inside of this box, which is the Pulse Explorer wireless earbuds, your charging case, PlayStation Link USB adapter. It has 6 earbud tips, a USB cable, and some printed materials. So that is the presentation for the front. Here's what the back side looks like. Here on the back side, it talks about how games were made to sound. Here is the charging case. This has a planar magnetic drivers for lifelike sound. Here it talks about PlayStation Link, which has a lightning fast connection, and you can also connect this with Bluetooth for your mobile devices. So here's a closer look at the earbuds, and here it talks about how this is a choking hazard, and so here's the top side of the box. Here you can scan the QR code to find out more about these earbuds. And with that being said, let's go ahead and take our X-Acto knife. Or do we really need an X-Acto knife? Guess not, because there's this peel tab that we have here. And so I really like how Sony is following Apple's lead in using these peel tabs. Makes you know that these are brand new earbuds. All we have to do is just pull this part out, and here we are, the unboxing of the Pulse Explorer earbuds. And here's the unboxing. Here's the presentation of once you unbox it. Here is a quick startup guide. That looks like an Xbox Series X, to be honest, but that is the PS5. Here's step 1, step 2, and it's how you would connect your earbuds. There are different ways to connect through different devices. Here's step 1, step 2, and step 3. And and here is the back side. Here it includes the PS Link and all that stuff. And let's put that to the side. And here's the PlayStation Pulse Explorer earbuds itself. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at that. But we have more inside the box. And here, this comes with a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Pretty cool from Sony. always good to have extra charging cables. Let's go ahead and put it back to its original place. And let's see if we have something here in this inside of this compartment. Here we have these 3 earbuds for your different ear sizes. Let's go ahead and take that part out. And here we have this what it looks like to be some kind of user guide. I'm not sure what it is. Struggling to pull that out, but here we are. These are your Pulse Explorer earbuds, and they look like down here it talks about the specifications and all that stuff. And yeah, so we can figure this out on our own without some proper instructions, hopefully. Let's go ahead and put everything back to its place and check out this USB drive. Not USB drive, but this is a PlayStation Link adapter for your PC and your PS5 console. Here it has actual button. And yeah, let's go ahead and remove the sleeve away from the charging case and take a look at this. So I really like the look and feel. It matches the PlayStation 5 aesthetics. Here you have your USB-C charging port. Here, this is a plastic build, and this is how you would open it. And here you have these left and right earbuds. And once you close it, it indicates how it is charging. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the PlayStation Pulse Explorer earbuds. Here's a closer look at the buttons. And really like the build quality. It does not feel cheap, but it's a plastic build, but it feels like premium build quality. So let's go ahead and take out my Samsung earbuds and compare it side by side. And I actually did an unboxing for my Samsung earbuds, which I'll put a card on the top right or left corner, so you can watch the unboxing of that. And yeah, so back to our Sony earbuds, and I'm going to go ahead and try these out and give you my personal opinion. So I have tested out the sound quality on these Sony PlayStation Pulse Explorer earbuds, and my take on these earbuds compared to my Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro is that the sound quality on these things is basically the same when you're linked via Bluetooth on your mobile device. So yeah, the one con that I have about these, that these are not comfortable as the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, and these are more like exclusive to when playing video games on your PlayStation 5 devices. And yeah, are these worth $200? In my personal opinion, no. So yeah, that's about it for this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about these earbuds. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that's on this channel. Thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. I'll definitely see you on the next one.